Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your relocation plan to employers using Indeed and LinkedIn. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Identify your relocation plan and clarify your motives for moving. Create a comprehensive list of potential employers in your desired location. Open your Indeed account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Navigate to the job search feature and enter relevant keywords related to your skills and desired position. Filter your search results by location to find opportunities in your target area. Save job postings that align with your career goals and relocation plan. Craft a tailored cover letter that highlights your relocation intentions. Be sure to mention why you are interested in moving to that specific location. Upload your updated resume to Indeed, ensuring it reflects your skills and adaptability. In your resume, include a section that addresses your willingness to relocate. Next, log into your LinkedIn account or create one if necessary. Complete your LinkedIn profile with a professional summary emphasizing your relocation. Incorporate keywords relevant to your industry to improve visibility. Connect with local professionals in your target area by sending personalized connection requests. Join relevant industry groups based on your desired location to engage with potential employers. Post a status update on LinkedIn announcing your job search and relocation plans. Keep your profile public so recruiters can see your intentions to relocate. Use LinkedIn's job search feature to explore openings in your desired location. Apply directly to positions, mentioning your relocation in your cover letter. Reach out to recruiters specializing in your industry via LinkedIn. Let them know you're actively looking for opportunities that allow for relocation. Follow up with any applications or connections after a week to express continued interest. Monitor your job applications on both platforms to track responses. Be prepared to discuss your relocation in interviews, emphasizing flexibility and enthusiasm. Stay active on both Indeed and LinkedIn to increase your chances of finding the right employment opportunity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.